Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website called Bubble. So imagine building your own web app and mobile app without need to learn hard programming language. That's exactly what Bubble App Builder lets you do. It's a no-code app builder that uses a drag and drop interface. Think of it like a building with a digital logs. You piece together different elements to create the look and feel of your web app, and then you set up your actions with happened what users interact with. When talking about the key features about this platform, it takes a close look at the standard features that makes Bubble a powerful no-code platform. So one of these features that makes it stand out compared to other no-code platform is a customizable design together with a built-in database and also a logic together with an advanced AI which helped the Bubble to constantly evolving. They also incorporate with AI tools into the platform to simplify the app development further. Imagine generating an app component or even entire workflow without or with a simple text prompt. Now talking about the one of the key features also, it also come with an easy collaboration and other important features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, they have a free plan, they have a starter plan, they have a growth plan, and they have a team plan together with a custom plan. So you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to access the key features assigned to each plan to help you decide which plan will be a better choice or a better option for you in designing your mobile app. Now talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular website before diving into it. So I'm just going to create a quick review about the advantages part of this platform. So using this platform, here are the key advantages you start to gain, which is the no code is needed. It's easy to use and drag and drop interface with this feature. It also comes with a built-in different types of app, handle a lot of users and also helpful community and a resources. It is less expensive compared to other platform. Then also it takes time to learn. And talking about the downside, it takes time to learn. Bubbles or also come with a complex and might be a bit faster for you because the app there might be a little bit complex and find difficult to understand a little bit. It's also hard to switch to a different platform later, so you can't organize everything in there. It's just fixed to a particular a place. You can't change anything or customize anything, just the way it is. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform.